I did.
Okay. Any doubts, Santosh?
Okay. When I created the material management, the hierarchy section is not displayed because of I didn't select that option or something.
With hierarchy.
RSA one.
This one?
Yes. Not that one. Info area.
Okay.
Maybe I didn't follow it.
Yeah, for material you want to maintain hierarchy?
Okay, go to hierarchy.
And you know the...
That was okay. Okay, I understand that. Okay, that's okay.
Yeah. Anything, Aaron?
It's not required.
So before assigning data source itself, you have to enable that hierarchy. Otherwise, you don't get hierarchy data source on this.
Yes, that is. You want?
Yeah, Aaron.
I just create something and when I try to actually extract data from a flat file, I'm getting some error.
That's it. That is required for me. So everybody can load the data here. Just in how better we can approach the resource farming in garden storage. Right. So what is the error you are getting, Aaron?
Okay, my field is actually demo info field, the one last.
Okay.
Okay.
This one. Yeah, okay. Right. Fine, okay. Have you uploaded master data? This is okay, right? You have created comfortably. I just want to check the object one. Right, customer, sales rep, right? And this should have some unique column as a key field, Arun.
Okay.
So same customer can have multiple transactions.
Okay.
So try to have one unique ID, let's say sales order ID, some sales order number or document number, something like this.
Okay.
Try to insert that. And let me check this data model here. And you got material dimension, customer dimension, right? You are using material number, right?
And material number, I also did it.
Okay. Right, customer, make it as product, huh? Material is related to material management and you are taking as customer and sales region. There could be a product one, otherwise you can just go by here vendor and purchase organization. So they are related to, so if you go through your 3.5 system, 1 second I'll show you here.
What happened is I told you, right, I'm new to SAP, so I immediately start this
Okay. That is a very old version here.
Yeah, no, I know that, but then I found the data for that.
Okay, very good. Right.
So
So if you want to go through some in values, you can just log into your 3.5 system. I think it is configured on your machine, and you can see SAP demo here. SAP demo info area you can see here, and demo related to purchasing. These are the these are the cards you can see: country, material, metal group, plant, purchase organization. These are the objects related to purchasing. You can use these objects. You can see. Delivery time in days, goods receipt quantity, invoice receipt quantity, number of deliveries, right? These are the objects related to purchasing, and these are the objects related to sales. You can see. Okay. So try to use these objects related to FI, accounts receivable data. You can see. Currency type, customer number, balances. That's okay. And any error during data loading you are getting. Right. So master data you uploaded. For which object you have uploaded master data? For material number, okay, let's check it. Material, and then master data. data uploading is little difficult for you. It's not uploaded. Okay, let me check. What is the problem? RSA1 old. Go to info sources. This one? Yeah. Okay. Right. So you are trying to upload attribute and text, both?
I uploaded attribute. Attribute I was able to review on the morning website of all 15 records.
Very good. Okay, but it is not processed manually. It is there in PSA only.
Okay. Yeah, I did.
It is there in PSA only. Yes, yes. Materials, right, material name, very good. Same data. Right. Now what to do?
But I was not able to do the text pattern error. It says when I actually say, okay, yeah, that one, then I actually write out more right after the other.
It is not activated. Data source is not activated. This is the step you have forgotten.
Yeah, you have to click that.
So just click on text data source, Arun. Just click on this. Just go with activate. You're not activated your transfer structure, communication structure and mapping.
Oh, okay. Okay, this
There is only this.
can tell me about transfer structure and communication structure. I came here, I saw that, and went back. So I was like, okay, it's all one-to-one and why is it not working?
Okay.
Right? Okay. And now if I try to upload over there, then it should be okay?
See, first you can find the error message in the monitor. Go to details tab. Detail tab will give you everything. See, it's not telling any message. See, here you can see click on error message. What it says? No transfer structure is available.
That's why I went and saw the transfer structure. There was transfer structure. I didn't know. Okay, I had to. Okay.
So generally people used to forget this. So, after once data loading is done, try to go for some special chars and lower case letters. Try to load the data with some special chars and lower case letters.
Okay.
These two topics, if you are able to practice these two, master and transaction data loading, everything is going to be very easy to you.
And, yeah, when I tried, actually I was getting screens in the side, like, how do I stop those screens coming up in the navigation? Like, say if I click on it for, like, the board to the next, I get more tasks, like, active notifications. Like,
This is what
oh, okay, navigation, I tried that.
it's going to switch off the navigation. And this is, otherwise you can use this one also. Okay? This is the icon you can use also. No problem, yes. It is opening in a side by screen or
On the side, so continue like that, right?
so if it is opening side by side, just use this icon. It's going to take.
Okay.
Right. So we have done with master data attribute and text loading. Okay. We are done with master data attribute and text data loading, right?
Right.
Right. Now just want to go for the hierarchy. So normally from the file system I don't upload hierarchy. Right. I'll just show you how to maintain manually. Sometimes used to maintain manually. I'll just show you manually how to maintain hierarchy. Normally from master system we are going to upload hierarchy. So I just want to go for next topic, that is master data, hierarchy, data loop. Like for example, I just want to maintain US employee hierarchy. Assume that I got two different regions, one is central, second one eastern. And the central region, let's say I got sales org A and sales org B. When it comes to eastern, I got sales org B and C and D. And when it comes to A, I got employee 100, I got employee 100, let's say I got employee 200. When it comes to B, I got employee 300 and I got employee 400. So when it comes to D, I got employee 500 and I got employee 600. So when it comes to D, I got employee 700 and 800. So this is a hierarchy which I want to maintain in my warehousing system. So this is a hierarchy which I want to maintain in my warehousing system. Right. See, for employee only, we have uploaded attribute data and text data, right? For the same employee, I want to maintain hierarchy data. For the same employee, I just want to maintain hierarchy data. So let me show you. See, in this particular hierarchy, what are the other caps we are using? What is this level? Region level, right? This is region level, this is organization level, this is employee level. So for employee hierarchy, we are using other caps like sales region, we are using sales region and sales organization. These are known as external caps of hierarchy. These are known as external caps of hierarchy. The first point, you have to maintain
Identify the external characters.
we have to maintain the external caps. Then we have got one relation here. You got parent and child nodes, right? What is parent node?
Main is US hierarchy, central,
Upper node is always parent node.
the bottom.
Child node is lower node is always child node. If you take out central, the parent node is root node. This is root node, nothing but name of the hierarchy. This is root node, nothing but name of the hierarchy. So if you take out A, the parent node is central. And the child nodes are 100 and 200. And if you take out B, parent node is central, child nodes are 300 and 400. Now this is what always we have to maintain, and we have to find the relation between parent node and child node. Next one, for sales region, we are using characteristic sales region. What are the values we need to have? Central and eastern. Must be there in master data table. It must be there in master data table. Similarly, we are using one more curve. What is that? Sales org. Right? What are the sales organizations? A, B, C, and D. And we are also using employee ID. What are the employee IDs we are using? 100 to 800. So let us verify one by one. This is your work area. One second. So this is our employee ID. The first step, let us maintain external cache of error. Right. So give a double click on employee ID. What is that? Hierarchy. What is this option? External cache and error. Just jobs. We have already created, no? If it is not there, we can just create. So just select and transfer. Select it and transfer. That's all. Go with continue. Then just go with activate. That's what our first step. Then what is this? We have to verify the master data tables, right? So we need not to establish the relation. So we can just maintain during hierarchy maintenance. So what is this? We need to verify the master tables, right?
The data is there.
Let us maintain that.
I have to create the source.
Yes. Already it is there. So let us see the values. If it is there, well and good. Otherwise, right click on object, say sales region. What is it? Execute. We got only central. Let me create one more. I'm just going for Eastern. Continue. Save it. So you got the required sales regions, right? Getting it once?
So there is already created data source for that.
No, actually, see, as usual, you can load the data as usual by using same procedure, but here it takes some time, no? So I'm just manually maintaining. So I'm just showing you how to maintain master data manually also. Let's say you got only one record change here. If you load that and if it's going to take us some time, no? Instead of doing that, you can just go by maintain master data manually. Let's go with sales organization. So right click, maintain master data. See, manually also we can give the master data. Execute. Right. Sales organization, I'm trying to create. A. Sales region. Let's say central. Give the description. Continue. Once again create. B. Sales region. Central. B. Sales organization. Create once again. C. Eastern. C. Sales organization. Create. D. Save it once. Once master data is maintained manually, you have to save it. Just go back. Right. Now let us verify employee. Right click. Maintain master data. Go with execute. You got only 2 employees. And let's go by creating all the other employees. And just create only employee IDs and just creating, not giving attributes. Just save it. That's all. So now you got the required master data values also. Yeah, right. No. For employee, since we are maintaining hierarchy, so whatever see, for employee we are maintaining hierarchy. So we are using two different levels. Each level is one CAD, no? That levels are external CAD for employee, that's all. You need not to have sales region, for sales organization, sales region as external CAD. For employee, sales region and sales organizations are external CAD. Still, any doubts? Arun?
And one question.
Yeah, Santosh.
Previous, when you were touching the sales organization to sales, what was sales organization, one more, sales
Region.
region. So there is a link is there, right? But when you're attaching to employee ID to sales organization, there is no link, right?
Since for sales organization, sales region is a navigation attribute.
Right, okay, right.
Otherwise, see, for maintaining hierarchy, you need not to have it as attribute, but due to some other requirement, it is inserted. Then, is it done? So let's maintain the hierarchy now. I just want to maintain hierarchy. So you select the pair on which you want to create the hierarchy. Right click, what is the option? Discover, create hierarchy. So what it is asking? Name of the hierarchy. Right. Give the description. Give it continue. So what is that? Now first, what is the level? Just go with insert characteristic node. What is the level? Region level, right? Right. You can select this first CAD. Sure. Just go with continue. So what are the regions you want to use? Central and Eastern. Just continue. This is your first level. What is your second level? Sales organization. So once again right click on Central. What is this? Insert characteristic. What is the CAD you want to insert? This time sales organization. Just continue. So under Central, what are the sales organizations you want to use? Just go with continue. Related to Eastern, what is that? Just take a right click once again. Insert characteristic. What is that? Sales org, CND, Central. So related to each sales organization, what is that you want to insert employee IDs, no? Right click. What is that? Employee ID. Contact. Yeah, that's what. Say for employee, we are maintaining hierarchy, no? That is why it is taking up. Employee ID. Just go with save, then activate. So Why for other two caps it is displaying textual data? Just manually activating. There is some program issue. Right click on the object, manually activate. So just display. Okay. For these two caps it is displaying descriptions, right? Why this? Since we have loaded text data for employee 100 and 200.
Right.
For 300, 400, we have not loaded any attribute or text. If you load text data, it's going to get default. So that is how you need to maintain hierarchy. I'll just quickly repeat, Arun. Right, just so we are not enabled. I want to maintain product hierarchy. I just want to maintain some product hierarchy. So this is the name of the hierarchy. Let's say product hierarchy. The name of the hierarchy. Where I have got two groups. One is desktop. Second one laptop. On the desktop, I got, let's say, P11 product 11, 12, laptops 13, 14. So this is a simple hierarchy I want to maintain. What is that? For product ID, product group is external care. Let us see. Yes. Product ID first, it is not hierarchy relevant. Just go to change mode with hierarchies, go with activate. So it's done. Do you got any attributes for this? One second. Yeah, product group is there, but it is not there in your say catalog. What I'll do, I'll just go to catalog, all info objects, change mode. It is not there in our catalog. It is going to be there to understand notes. You can just find that object. GSP underscore product group. So drag and drop. Now it is inserted. Just go with activate. Now you can just see yourself. What is that? You want to use the external caps, right? Hierarchy. Yeah.
Can we go to attribute tab again?
What is that?
Can you go to attribute tab for product ID? Like, when we have attributes like this, do they not get created as characters?
They are created as cap, but default it is placing in unassigned nodes.
Okay, they don't usually come into our catalog box.
If you want to transfer, you have to edit the catalog and you have to drag and drop.
Okay.
Right. So now what is that? I want to maintain external caps hierarchy. External caps. What is that? Select, continue, sorry, transfer, go with continue, then just go with activate. Let us find whether we have got required groups or not. Right click, maintain master data, go with execute. Just save it. One more. Just save it. back. And for product ID, whether we have got required value, then we are verifying. Yes. Only 11 is there, but I want to go by 12, 13, and 14 also. Just save it. Right. So what to do, we can just create the required hierarchy now. You can just go by creating required hierarchy. Right click, maintain, create hierarchy. What is the name? Name of the hierarchy. Description. Continue. So what to do? Insert characteristic node. What is that node? Product group. Select the required groups. Now what is this? For this you want to insert the product ID, right? The next level is product ID. 11 and 12 under one group. 13 and 14. Just go back. Save it. Manually activated. There is some program issue. You can see this. So this is how you can just maintain the hierarchy. We are not to give much concentration on this one. Attribute and text try to upload by using some special class and all. Any doubts? So if master data load is done, I'm going to start a transaction data loading. So if the transaction data, as per the system architecture, the transaction data first is loaded to DSO, then to InfoQ. The need of InfoQ is multi-dimensional data analysis. And DSO is used for data consolidation. What is that? New record must be inserted. If it is a duplicate, overwrite. And if it is a modified record, updated. All this is known as data consolidation, which I was talking to you. Right? And I told you there are two kinds of updates. What are those? Direct and flexible. Direct update and flexible update. Direct update and flexible update. Right. So it is direct update. Master data. Master data. So now what is the data we are loading? The flexible update. So we have to go for always sensitive transaction data loading. So transaction data loading, always you have to go by flexible update. So what is the data flow if it is direct update? Data source, transfer structure, PSA, transfer rules, communication structure, data target, right? But here you are going to get some additional rule, update rule. What is the target as of now? Days. So you have got a new thing, that is update rule. So if the data comes source system using data source and transfer structure, it is changed to PSA. Some PSA by reading transfer rules and communication structure and through update rules loaded to DSO. So what is update rules? Using this, we can map communication structure columns with transfer structure. Using this, we can map communication structure columns with data target columns.
Yeah, desktop is not refreshing. Hanging.
Is it?
Yeah, for me.
Now?
The cursor is not moving. Yeah, now it's good. Yeah.
Arun?
Black on my phone suddenly gone. Gone the glass is 5:30.
Right, I'll just complete this. What is this update rule? Then we'll just continue tomorrow. No issues. Right. So I'm talking about update rules. Using this, we can map communication structure columns with data target columns, which is similar to transfer rule. What is transfer rule?
Is object, yeah. Info object.
Mapping between transfer structure and right. And I told you different types of transfer rules, right? What is that?
With constant formula.
Routine formula. Similar to that, we have got types of update rules. There are different types of update rules. The first one, update rules for key figures. Info object, nothing but direct mapping. Constant. You don't have constant. Since key figure cannot be a constant. Formula. Next one, update rules for characteristics. You got info object. Constant is also there. A routine and formula. Read master data attribute. These are the different ones. And initial value, null value. Next one, update rules for time char. You got on plus time distribution. So these are the different rules. Right? We'll go by that. Say what are the configuration steps? What are the configuration steps?
Create and process. Create a source.
Yes, time data source.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
I'd like to hear you now.
Right. So we have to create update rules. This is an additional one. Create update rules on data target. Create update rules on data target. That's what. Then create info basket. So I'll just continue. I'll take up in tomorrow session. So try to.
One more question.
Yeah.
So there is no room for any. It is not required rule. What do you update that?
You don't want to update? We'll look at it. No worries.
Like if it's one-to-one, we just say
Info object mapping. If it is one-to-one.
yesterday my